चलो दोस्तों, आज और एक क्लास. टुडे we're going to learn how to make your audio better with the software Audacity. तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं. Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to make your audio better by using Audacity. From this video, we're going to learn how to edit audio in Audacity, which will help us to make audio better. Friends, Audacity is a free and open source digital audio editor and recording applications both on PC as well as on Android mobile. Audacity is available for Windows, Mac as well as Linux operating system. In addition to recording audio from multiple sources, Audacity can be used for post-processing of all types of audio by editing effects such as noise reduction, amplification, equalization, normalization, trimming, fading in and out. तो दोस्तों चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू जस्ट गो फॉर फाइल टू इनपुट योर ऑडियो. Click on input. I have a small audio clip on my desktop name as a song which is sung by me, Agar Tum Saath Ho. I am just importing it, hitting on OK. You can see here on the interface the video is imported, which shows in blue color. This blue color indicates a sound waves and a blank space which I just selected here, which is talk about a noise, which you may or may not see, but when you listen with your headphone, then one can hear that noise. Now, whatever editing you have to do, before that, let us listen first this audio without editing. I am pressing a press. दिल ये संभल जाए कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं. Yes friends, so I run the track and we come to know that audio is not so better. Let us make it very simple and better audio by using Audacity. First of all, select your track, then go for effect. First of all, go for noise reduction, get noise reduction profile. Again go for effect, noise reduction, then hit on OK. Automatically you can see the wave sound, the track is changing. Again go for effect, go for normalization, hit OK. Some changes. Let us play it and just listen it. पल भर ठहर जाए दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं. Yes friends, now little bit the audio has little amount of noise because it is get reducted and also get equalized. Let us understand some more effect. Go for effect, then go for equalization, select a bass boost and hit on OK. Let us play it. पल भर ठहर जाए, दिल ये संभल जाए. Friends, when you see this wave track, you can see a lot of ups and downs. That means it is not uniformly distributed. Let us compress them. Go for effect, go for compressor, go for -17, to 18, hit on button OK. Now you can see little bit of in a clear track. Let us play it once again. पल भर ठहर जाए, दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं. Now sounds better. If friends, if you want to give a echo effect, that is also possible. In effect, go for echo, delay time 1 second or delay factor 0.5 second. Let us click on this and play it. पल भर ठहर जाए, दिल ये संभल. Yes, you can also give echo effects. So Audacity is very simple tool, and it is, as I mentioned it, free and open source software which will help us to do or to make your audio better. Thank you for watching.